Since John Thomas came to the district's Urban Forestry Administration 11 years ago, the program grew in staffing and budget, making an ever bigger green imprint on the DC community. Since 2005, UFA has planted 55,000 trees to increase the city's tree canopy cover to 37%.
John has taken the challenge of reaching the mayor's goal of 40% urban tree canopy incredibly seriously. And the need for a city to develop and our desire to preserve the tree canopy, street and otherwise, are often at odds. And so it's a real accomplishment for him to be able to have implemented the primary program that achieves the goal of enhancing and maintaining the existing tree canopy.
The benefits of a larger tree canopy or expanding tree canopy are numerous. DC has a lot of stormwater issues where we have a very polluted river, the Anacostia, which is getting filled up with sediment. Trees help slow down how much water is getting to that system and how fast it gets there. We have really high rates of childhood asthma. One of their strengths is making air quality better so that people can breathe and some of the toxins are out of the air.
Street trees are what humanize a city. They bring nature back to a city. They provide scale in the built environment. And under John's leadership, we've been able to both preserve and enhance these natural assets that make our city much more livable, both for the people that live here and the people that visit.
The Urban Forestry Administration thus not only helped further the mayor's sustainability goal, but has also allowed the district to become a showcase for urban forestry management.
We have a very dynamic and complex GIS work system where we have every tree captured in an inventory, and we're able to analyze the tree, the size, the species, the condition.
It was John's decision to move us towards a full GIS-based inventory system, and at the time it was a difficult adjustment for all of the arborists on staff, but now, fast forward 8 years, and his vision in that decision has really paid off. Whether it's the well-maintained tree inventory that we have and that we maintain every day, to just the volume of work that we deliver, the resources we have at our disposal, all of which John has been instrumental in securing.
Working with trees specifically and trying to develop a canopy for the city and instill that love of nature and that understanding of nature with citizens, where we can try to explain to people or show people the importance of trees in our environment and all the benefits that they bring.
He said, I have an idea. With every tree that you plant, would you agree to install a regulation tree box fence? And he said, well, it's second in importance only to water for the survival of the tree. And nobody ever thought about soil compaction. John is a very modest person, and he never toots his own horn. And I think he's done so much to improve the Urban Forestry Administration.
Future generations are going to be very happy that we took this time to make sure the trees are healthy and that we're putting more trees in, because it's not for today, trees are always for tomorrow.